is it? The music.
Where'd
The
it
snow.
go?
Where'd the tornado snow go? Do this. That didn't work. Fail of the day. That's Daniel.
Let's call this out, guys.
That's Christmas Eve. Yay. Alright, do that again. Throw the snow in the air so it'll go awesome like it did before. That's too much. You suck. You suck. Look, it's coming.
It's ZW.
Whoa. Holy shit. That's so cool. It's like a vortex. My hands are frozen. Like LeBron, I'm taking my talents down to South Beach.
See, me throwing that snow over there activated this.
He's God.
Jesus.
I said God.
Yay.
Fucking idiot. I said God.
Oh.
I hear little kids. They're fucking idiots. Fucking.
Still working.
Woo!
No, it's going now.
Merry Christmas to all and to all good garbage can. Look at the garbage can. This guy.
Gargamel.
Gargamel, you Merry Christmas, you.
Hey. Is that the end of it?
Boop, boop.